What's up guys, my name is Esteban. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been meaning to make this video for a long time. I want to talk about something that is happening right now. We're on flu season. I work at a restaurant. People are getting sick. Coworkers are sick. Managers are sick. The guests we serve are sick. And guess what? I am not getting sick. I didn't take no flu shot. I don't take any medicine. All I do is drink my drink smoothie. Now I wanted to share with you that recipe of that green smoothie that keeps me healthy, keeps me strong every single day. And without further ado, here's the recipe. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab the banana, we're gonna cut it in a few pieces and throw it in the cup. Then we're gonna grab a couple of strawberries, make sure you cut the leaves out. Then we're gonna throw those on the cups. We're gonna cut some fresh pineapple and throw in there as well. We're gonna grab a mango and cut it all nice and fancy. And then we're gonna throw it in the cup like salve style. We're gonna miss a few pieces, but that's okay. We're gonna grab the date, make sure you get the seed out, and then drop that in the cup as well. Get some ginger, that is really good for colds, some turmeric root, and we're gonna put some water. Don't put all of the water yet. This will help make the smoothie blend nice and smoothly. Get some chocolate vegan protein in there. A tablespoon of chia seed. Make sure it goes in the cup, unlike I did there. Then we're gonna add a few turns of black pepper. These will help you absorb all the nutrients. We're gonna do a teaspoon of coconut oil and also a teaspoon of almond butter. Then we're gonna get my favorite lacinato kale. We're gonna make sure to get the stems out. We're getting towards the recipe now. I put the last part, which is the lacinato kale, my favorite kale, and I always find myself trying to squeeze in the very end. Right now it's actually not too tight as other times. We're gonna close this up real quick. We're gonna turn on our blender, and I'm gonna make this quiet for you guys at home. Here guys, look at that nice dark green color. We're gonna put a little more water to get this completely finished right now. Come with me. So a little more water. Give it one more blend. That's it. All right guys, I think we're done with the smoothie. This is the final project right here. It is full of nutrition. I'm all about eating full of nutrition. It's got fats, it's got proteins, it's got minerals, it's got vitamins. This will boost your immune system every single day. Make it a habit, but also combine it with exercising, with plenty of sleep. If you drink this every day, trust me, you will not get sick. You should not be getting sick by drinking this. I drink this every day. I have not been to the doctor for a year and a half. And you know what? I want to keep that momentum going. So this is my recipe for you guys. I hope you guys like the video. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, click the subscribe button. If you like what you saw, give me a like. And if you have any questions, comments, or concern, write a comment right there. I will be looking. I will be answering your questions, guys. Thank you very much, guys. And I will see you until the next video.